I'm recording. I will follow you as much as I can. You're very fast.
No.
Yeah, it'll
Then I have no chance to control.
Exactly. Be careful. I want to get you back in one piece.
You promised it.
Yes, I did promise.
I will.
It's got an E-start. This is the E-start button. Maybe it's in gear. Okay, there you go. Now I need to get you a 450. So this is the kill switch.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the Husaberg, Swedish. 450. I put it in the mild tune. It's got 3 tunes. This is probably the mild one. There's an aggressive tune.
Okay.
So you can take it easy on it. It's going to be heavier.
Okay.
Okay. But because it's got this weird engine characteristics, all the weight is low and it's in the center. It's mass centralization.
Cool.
So try it out. Oh, sorry.
That was me.
No. Probably needs to be new.
No?
No, it is the clutch dragging a little. So give it a little bit of gas when you give it in first. Just a little bit of gas. There you go. heavier?
Yeah, it's definitely heavier, but it's smoother.
Yeah.
And it feels like the other one was more, whenever I do something, I make wheelie.
Yeah. This is
And
smoother.
This one is more balanced.
Yeah. But if you give it a lot, it will
I
actually.
will not.
Okay.
Oh.
It's okay. You can start.
All good.
Okay, so that was a lot of throttle
Yeah.
going around. How's your body?
Body is okay. Just I hit something, but you don't see it?
I don't see it.
Okay.
But it's all recorded.
So we can do an analysis.
I don't know. Okay, I'll get you back on the little one then.
Just
Don't worry about that. These bikes are meant to be on the floor. I was thinking next up is a KTM 500.
no.
No, maybe not.
Again, it's been a while.
Yeah, as long as you don't get hurt, I don't care about bikes. Yeah.
And be more stable.
Yeah, but with your skill, this is probably easier to ride. You think or no?
I think so. It is.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have to ride a two-stroke, but this is only a 125.
Okay.
It's a baby two-stroke. So if you ride any two-stroke, this is the safest two-stroke you should be in. But this is a kickstart, so.
That's easier to handle.
I know. try to follow me, do some pivot, like maneuvers here,
Okay.
but be on your pegs, stand on your pegs. You're in gear.
Ah,
Maybe this is better. E-start.
kickstart is also okay. Now I got it. Now I'm neutral.
Did you have fun?
Huh?
Did you have fun?
It's great. So I just thought about I need to ask for the next hackathon, and this time I need to stay 2 weeks.
You should, and we should
this
go not just right here. This is stupid. After we do 5 times,
Yeah.
it's the same thing again and again. But when we go to the forest, every corner is an unknown.
Yeah.
Because you have never been there before, I have never been there before. So your senses are on high alert. Every corner you got to judge the speed and everything. It's like a WRC. You don't know which corner, you just like
Right.
do a judgment and then you do it, and it's completely different. So we should go out and ride.
And I figured out why this issue happened. I was still in the gear. I didn't declutch, and at this time I think I was first sitting, then standing up, so I quickly
And it has a lot of torque.
yeah.
It just
and
like
this-
came up. So
But it happened to me also with this 1 or 2 times now. I now understand the main error you should avoid is sitting down.
yeah, if you are standing constantly,
Yeah.
it's good. When you go between sitting and standing, sometimes in the transition
Yeah.
you don't pay attention to your controls, and
Yeah. And here the slower ones, I just figured out I need to be more
on the pegs shifting.
And, yeah, and specifically not just straight legs.
No, never straight. You got.
I know, but
yeah.
it's you have to think about this first.
Yeah, it's like this.
Yeah.
You move your bike underneath, and
But that's great.
thank you. Thanks.
Unfortunately,
Yeah, we got
I
it
think
on.
We have to
So,
go back.
Let
So
me put
thanks
the-